Go, shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up because that's your birthday. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill the buzz. I'm in the having sex, I ain't into making love, so come get me.
Today we are going to be installing this 7.5 inch intercooler from VRSF. This thing is massive. Like, look at the size of this thing. This thing is huge. Right now I do have like a 5 inch.
Pause.
But I decided I'm gonna upgrade. So we are gonna be cutting some plastic to make sure this thing fits. This thing is way bigger than the one that I have in there right now. But yeah, I'll show you guys how to do all that stuff. Cat came to help me out. So now that we removed the tire, we're going to remove this wheel trim. So now that you have the wheel well off, we're going to go ahead and remove the 2 screws holding this side of the bumper on, and you're going to do the exact same on the other side. While you're here as well, you can also remove the connection for the fog lights. You just go ahead and pinch it on both sides and then just pull it. And then now we can go ahead and pop the hood. Now that we've popped the hood, we can access these T30 screws. There's 4 of them. So we're gonna go ahead and remove those. Now that we have the bumper off, we're gonna go ahead and remove the plungers right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove my fan so I have more clearance to work with when I'm fitting on the pipes. I'm gonna remove this as well first, and then I can remove the fan trap.
You can find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a buzz. I'm in the having sex, I ain't into making love, so come give me a...
Now that we took off the radiator fan, we have a lot more clearance to work with. You see the intercoolers right here. It goes up to this pipe, and same on this side. So this pipe feeds in to the charge pipe on this side. So these are going to get replaced. I went ahead and removed the ambient temperature. The sensor was sitting right here and it was just poking out. Looks like this. Just so it's out of the way, so when you start cutting, you don't cut that by accident. Now I'm gonna start removing the intercooler that I had on there. This is a Mishimoto one, 5 inch. So this one pretty much goes on like the OEM one, but it's just bigger. So we're gonna take off those clips from the bottom. So you can just get like a flathead screwdriver and then just pry it out. I'm gonna need 2 hands for this, but yeah, you get the concept. So this is the intercooler we took out. I just wanted to show you guys some comparison of the size. This is a 5 inch versus a 7.5 inch. So for the charge pipe side, you're going to be replacing from here all the way to down there. So it's going to look like this. You're going to have this pipe like that. This clamp is going to be bolted on, and this side is going to be the intercooler, this side charge pipe. Yo, Mechanic Cat.
Me the dough that bought me all my fancy things, my crib, my cars, my clothes, my shoes. Look, homie, I done came up and I ain't changing. You should love it way more than you hate it. Oh, you mad? I thought that you be happy I made it.
So I went ahead and used a drum well to cut this piece off, this piece of metal, and it was able to just come off out of this pipe that's I believe connected to the turbo, and then this feeds into the intercooler, and then goes into the intercooler, then into the charge pipe on that side. So yeah, it wasn't too hard with this. Now we're gonna start cutting off all this plastic so we can fit this massive intercooler.
48 hours later.
Finished cutting. I know it's nighttime right now just because I went to go eat. I just want to save you guys some time, so I'm gonna show you where to cut. So I just follow this guideline just straight down, and then to go up, you're gonna have to go up like past the transmission or radiator, and then you can go all the way down, and then you're gonna go back down, and then same thing on this side. You're just gonna go where this line is and just go straight down and just cut off all that. Even inside here, you're gonna end up cutting all that off too, so this could clear. So now we just have to hook up 2 hoses on here. Okay, everybody, after quite a bit of wiggling around and trying to slide these silicone couplers in, she's finally in. A good tip is to use engine oil or some lube to apply on the inside of the silicone hose or couplings, and then it's easier to push in because they are pretty tight. Now I just have to tighten up all these clamps and then just put her back together.
They like me, I want them to love me like they love pop. But holla in New York, they tell you I'm local. And the plan is to put the rap game in the choke. I'm fully focused, man. My money on my mind. Got a meal out the deal and I'm still on the grind. Now shorty says she feeling my style, she feeling my flow.